The 7 areas of excellence for a leader include time usage, communication, talent development and mentoring, strategic thinking and planning, running effective meetings, decision-making, and self-management. So let me talk about each one of those just briefly. And your list of areas of excellence may be slightly different, but this will give you a good foundation to begin with in terms of thinking about how you can improve and become an excellent leader. Time usage is all about how you manage your schedule, how you prioritize, how you deal with the interruptions and the distractions of the day, and how you focus your time on those things which are urgent and important. Excellent leaders are extremely good at using their time effectively. Then communication. A leader's primary responsibility is to communicate specifically with their direct reports, but if you are the CEO of your company, you have a communication role that impacts the entire organization. And great communicators focus in on being able to encourage others, hold others accountable, and recognize others. And that's something that you as a leader need to become excellent at. Talent development and mentoring is an area where many leaders I find fall short simply because they get focused on the task of leadership and the challenges that they face on a daily basis in running their business, and they don't necessarily think of the future and the way that the business will be growing or changing and the talent that needs to fill those particular roles. And that's where a leader has to be able to set aside quite a bit of time to think about talent development and then execute a talent development process. Then there's strategic thinking and planning. As a leader, you are responsible for working on your business, not just in your business. Thinking about how are we going to be successful, and then along with your executive team, building plans that you can execute in order to achieve that success. And strategic thinking and planning is a skill that you can develop and become excellent at. Then running effective meetings. Meetings are often the bane of our existence, but the fact is, as leaders, we are in meetings much of the day. And those meetings therefore need to be effective. And you're going to be leading many meetings with clients, meetings with your internal team, meetings with your project partners. And as a result of that, you need to become excellent at running effective meetings. And then finally, self-management. And again, unfortunately, this is something that many leaders neglect. They don't manage their energy levels, they don't manage their temperament, they don't manage even their own physical well-being. They're not effective at that. But in order to be an excellent leader, you must manage yourself extremely well. So those are the 7 areas of excellence that you can focus on as a leader. Now, I'd like you to think of each one of these areas and think of the mechanics of each one. Do you think it's possible for you to improve your performance in all of these areas, or perhaps even one area? What if you could incrementally improve in one, perhaps on a 90-day basis, then perhaps another area, and begin to stack that improvement over time? What kind of impact would that have on your performance? How would that help you to achieve excellence?